So today we are going to grate cheese using the Optimum Mamma Mia pasta maker. So come with me. So we are going to be using the slicer attachment. So just position through, give it a little bit of a push and a twist. You'll hear it click and it's solidly in place. Now we're going to be using the grater attachment. So we hold by the little tab. We just want to slot that in and give it a little bit of a twist so that it's solid in place. Now we just want to put the collector container beneath it to catch our cheese, and we're going to turn the unit on. Okay, so we'll begin. I've cut my cheese in some chunks, so I'm just going to pop that in and we'll press the forward button and we'll use the pusher, and there you have fresh grated cheese. No finger, no blood, a little bit of a mess, but we can cope with that. Grating cheese is super easy with the slicer attachments from the Mamma Mia. And you don't need to apply too much pressure on the pusher, just to keep it there and she'll spit out. And that's it. So only a couple of minutes, we've got our cheese grated, and now I'm going to go make pizza.